Again, all we need are 4 colors. And this one is actually going to need a different color for the sulfur. But we're going to draw a real technical structure here. See the long carbon tail? We'll learn these isoprenes, 5 carbons long. Double ring structure here. Looks kind of complicated, huh? That chemical structure there. Watch how easy it is for us. Double ring structure. So let's start right in the middle, I guess. Diamond, diamond. 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 This goes to each other. To another diamond. This is where it gets a little tricky here. We got a sulfur. We usually use orange for the phosphorus, but in this case, no can do. So we've got an S. S is in the same family as oxygen, remember? 2 bonds. So we'll kind of use green here to show the S. So when we look at this here, we're going to see two ends up here are just diamonds. I mean, triangles. So there's one to that, one to that, to a diamond up here. Boing. See, it's not intimidating at all, is it? We just draw the shape. There's only that number of many bonds. Let's see. We could actually make this better. Because I was looking ahead, I'd see that there's a double bond on that O. Let's do this. We're going to draw our diamond. Diamond. Let's do the O first. So here's one to the O. So it won't look as cool, but it's practical. So now we look, that carbon's done. Color it in. These nitrogens are just getting a hydrogen on there, so doot. And so you can wait till the end and color them all in. And this is a fun exercise, kids, because you can do this with any molecule you find in any textbook. You can go through and play with it and do your diamonds. Now I know for a fact that these two are right there. So we can color those carbons in. Now, this is a complicated ring structure here, folks. Don't get too worried about it. This over here, I see this drawn 2 different ways. There may be a methyl group off to the side here. So what we're going to do is we'll leave that, and it's something we can look up, because if I put it in there and get it wrong, it'll be all over everywhere. So now we're going to go with our carbon structure here. 5 carbons. So just draw 5 diamonds. No need to worry about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's on the end? We're going to have a carboxylic acid out here. So let's draw this kind of this way. And we'll start down there where it's the most complicated. Double bonded O, single bonded O, with a dot in the middle. That's the carboxylic acid equivalent. So we know it's carbon to carbon, so let's just draw it in there. Now we're done with that. As we come across, these isoprenes are saturated. So guess what? Boing, 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 boing. Come to our hydrogens. Just fill in the empty spots. One. This is with a sulfur in it. We're going to write this in orange. This is biotin. It's coenzyme. This is used in a lot of reactions. So if you have any health issues, biotin should be considered an essential nutrient. Color in the carbons. Isn't that cool? Look how simple that is. This is a real structure. So there might be a methyl out here on this. We're not too sure. All right, you ready to tackle a hard one now? We're going to have to get the paper out for this one. Back to our old crayons. We're going to color it in. We're going to draw it with the markers. So this is all using recycled material here too, kids. I hope you're proud of me. I got all this out of the dumpster. Even these markers. Got 2 new red ones last night. So we're going to need black for carbon. We're going to need red. We're going to need green. We're going to need some sort of bluish purple. And actually, you know what? Watch, we're probably not even going to need the blue. Actually, we're going to do another warm-up first. We're going to do melatonin. So there are some N's in there, but see that structure? Looks pretty intimidating. See, it doesn't even look intimidating the way I drew it because it's already got the cartoon on it. Okay? But watch, folks, how easy this is. We're going to leave that sitting up there. Draw it sideways like this. See melatonin there? So this is what we're doing. We're just taking a real chemical structure here and drawing it in our own notation. So no teacher in the world is going to tell you, oh, you're wrong, because this is the way carbon looks. So we're going to start anywhere we want, really. We could draw the rings first and that, but let's start up here right where it is. Methyl. What's a methyl group? Our confidence is so high now. Diamond. Now look what this does. It goes to an ether. An ether is just an oxygen in the middle of 2 carbons. So the next diamond here is going to be in a benzene ring. So we're going to draw this kind of crooked here because it's going to get a little complicated real fast. So let's draw this to a diamond, down to a diamond, over to a diamond. There's 6 members in this. This is like a benzene ring. Let's keep this straight up here. So 1 carbon on the O, so we need another carbon up here. And then another carbon over here, so there's a diamond. 2, 4, 6. Now these 2 here are the ones that are going to go to the nitrogen. So there's 1 diamond, 1 diamond. There's only 5 in that ring. So let's draw the triangle in there. We'll color it in just so it looks easier to see on camera here. And just draw the bonds. There's 1 to that, 1 to that. And it would probably, let's see what we're looking at here. We're looking at a double bond. And we're looking at this going to a diamond. So you can do it any way you want. You can focus here and do your hydrogens.